Hello, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you today how the new user experience works, how it's much simpler and easier to get started, and also some of the additional features that we've built, particularly publishing to library, and then how you can get your AI bots into the community and how community members can then benefit from them. So what I've done is I've created a new AI bot called Scheme of Work. The way to do that, this will be your what you'll experience when you jump on. And if you want to create a new AI bot, just click Add AI Bot, type in what you need, pick something from up here, or build it manually. This is where you can sort of really make sure that it's exactly what you're looking for with all of the right system role or behavior prompting, as we call it, and how it uses data, etc., etc., right down to how creative it is. So that's what I did for Scheme of Work. The settings were Scheme of Work is the title, this is the description. I'm using GPT-4 and the fine tuning. I've told it to not look at any training data. We're not going to give it any training data. This is much more of an agent as opposed to a chatbot. So it's not working off preordained training data. It's gonna be very similar to ChatGPT. And then the behavior prompt I've given it is create a schema of work tables based on the needs of the user, always generate the schema of work as a table. And then just to see how it works, I've created the creativity for 0.5. So this will be more creative, which should give us some interesting outputs. So click on here and this will open up your AI bot. And then we can just type it in. So an easy way to do it is let's say we want to create a scheme of work for the history of Tudor England for grade 5. And what it's going to do is work out exactly what it thinks that means. And it's going to generate your scheme of work table exactly as we have requested it to do so. But let's say we wanted something that's much more exact, much more accurate to the curriculum that we're teaching, or to the way that we want to teach this subject. And so what I've done instead is I've gone online and I've found a 4-page PDF of the biographies of sort of the main characters in Tudor England. I've downloaded that and I'm going to use that now for the AI. So let's just reset it. We'll do a new chat. And this time I'm going to upload a document. And I'm going to say, please create the scheme of work table based on this. Now, this is going to take a bit longer because what it's doing is it's looking at that PDF and it's kind of reading it. It's understanding what that PDF is made up of. And it's going to use its behavior prompt. So we've told it what to do. Its job is to create scheme of work tables. It's going to use its analysis and understanding of the PDF that we've now uploaded to it. And then it's going to follow my instruction in the query, which is to then please create a scheme of work table based on this, having uploaded the document. And we will see what it comes up with. So it's come up with a further sort of query. It just wants to make sure that it understands what we've uploaded and what we're asking of it. I'll go down to the bottom paragraph. It says, please provide further instruction on how to proceed, or let me know if you'd like a fuller extraction of the documents. No, this is fine. Please continue. So we could always keep adding more and more detail to get the scheme of work as accurate as we want it. But here we are. This is a scheme of work that's been generated based off that PDF.